Hello there, Daniel West. This is Coach Stephanie with your monthly review for the month of April. In the month of April, we ended with a 2.31, and that was a small decrease from the previous month. We were headed in the wrong direction. We need to definitely be sure that we were reviewing all of our calls in a timely manner. We have 7 out of the 10 that still need to be reviewed. So we want to be sure that we are reviewing those so that we can implement the tips and the tricks that we learn into our very next phone call. Then be sure that once you get a call that you take those tips and tricks and also the ones that you learn in the videos, retake the certifications, and implement what you learn in the videos and in the phone calls into your very next phone call, and you guys will have no problems in getting your calls in appointments, and you will have no problem in getting that score up. No calls in the excellent category last month, but we did have 2 above average, 3 average, 5 below average, and 2 poor. We had 3 calls resulted in appointments and 3 calls were offline. So 25% of our calls were offline, and that is below the company average of 35.06, but we remember we want to shoot for 10% or less. 25% of our calls resulted in appointments, and that is below the company average of 34.51. I'd like to see us get to 50% or higher, and I know that we can do that. 16.67% of our calls were in the poor category. The company average is 12.92. 41.67% of our calls were in the below average category. The company average is 20.086. 25% of our calls were in the average category. The company average is 17.63, and only 16.67% of our calls were in the above average category, where the company average is 21.15. No calls in the excellent category, and the company average is 27.44. So please feel free to reach out to me if you have questions, comments, or concerns. I am here to help you in any way that I can. I want to help you be successful, but we have to start with making sure we're reviewing our calls and doing the certifications. I hope you guys are having a great month, and I will talk with you soon.